Hi, I'm Meredith McGrath, the registered dietitian at Redner's Markets, and I'm excited to partner with the Medical Society of Delaware to take you on a tour of our grocery aisles. The frozen food department has become one of my favorite. There are so many healthy, convenient options here that make shopping on a budget possible. Frozen fruits and vegetables are flash frozen at the time of harvest, making them as nutritious as fresh. They are great to have on hand when you are in a pinch. Check out the ingredients to see if they are sauces or sugars added. Edamame makes a healthy snack or side dish. Water is always the best choice for beverage. You could add slices of fruit or herbs for natural flavor. Unsweetened tea or sparkling water with no added sugar are great alternatives for water. Limit sugary drinks like soda, sweet tea, and sports drinks. Always check the labels for hidden sugars, even in drinks marketed as healthy. Before we wrap up, here's a quick checklist. Serving size first. Total carbs and added sugars, keep them low. Sodium, aim under 2,300 milligrams daily. Fiber, 3 grams or more per serving. Saturated fat, less than 10% of daily calories. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together. And although we didn't go through all 50,000 items, I hope this tour helped. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about making small, sustainable changes. Every cart you fill is a chance to nourish yourself and your family.